that you will receive today and embracing the life of being husband and wife, living together again. It will last until your last breath.
You came unexpectedly, but just in time, as I know, God already prepared my heart for this roller coaster kind of adventure. I can truly say you're indeed worth the wait.
You do know that yung mga pinag-aawayan natin is mostly pag hindi ako nakikinig sa'yo. But this time, since ikakasal na tayo, I promise to listen. Kahit na ayoko, pero kailangan ko. Kasi alam ko na ang kailangan mo is someone na makikinig.
Excited to start a new chapter with my one and only. To more happiness and stress, Baba, I love you, Ray Lemuel. My dearest Boo, I wanted to greet you first, happy 3rd year anniversary. Today, we will be celebrating quite a little different, but indeed the most special one.
The colors of the weather. We've been through high, every corner of the sky, and still we're holding on together.
Nag-meet kami workmates sa Security Bank. So, siya is account officer ng isang product na kinikater din ng branch namin.
Tapos nag-umpisa na nakapag-visit na ako sa kanila. Unang visit ko sa kanya, if I can remember, nasa Carmona branch siya noon. Hindi niya ako pinapansin, hindi yan tumitingin sa akin. So, sobrang napaka-passive niya.
Ray is very vocal naman. Very vocal siya. Na gusto niya talaga ako. Siguro ako lang talaga yung hindi pa sure that time. First boyfriend ko kasi siya.
Dapat lagi ka lang nasa tabi niya, kahit anong away, kahit away ng pamilya, lagi sa misis. Sa misis ka lagi. Kasi siya ang kakampihan mo, siya yung number 1 mo kasi syempre siya yung magiging kasama mo sa habang buhay.
Until I die, let me hold you if you cry. Be my one to forever. 'Cause you got all my love.
Every time maalis ako sa bahay, pag gusto ko, ay parang nalulungkot ako kasi alam ko na.
O, tama na, papamit ka. Tama na, tama.
You've got all my love. Whether it rains, it remains. You've got all my love.
Today is the day that we will meet the Lord, and it's something na sobrang blessed tayo with the people around us. Ang daming nagdadasal ng maging success nitong marriage na to, and I can't wait to see it.
La 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 la. Whether it rains or pours, I'm all yours. La 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 la
kailangan mo ng advice ng mama, nandito lang si mama palagi. Ate, nandito lang din si ate palagi. Hindi kita iiwan. Kahit wala si papa mo, isipin mo lang, kasama natin sa araw-araw.
Thank you sobra. Support sa amin ni Ray. Sa pagpanggap, especially kay Ray, sa pag-welcome sa kanya. Thank you. Mahal na mahal ko kayo pareho.
Till the end of my days, you got all my love.
Alam ko naman na lagi kang nandyan to guide. Ever simula nung nawala ka, alam ko ikaw yung guardian angel ko. Guardian angel namin. Every time na nagdadasal ako, lagi ko pinagdadasal na i-guide mo kami lagi. Especially, tatlo lang kami na babae. So, yun lang. Miss na kita. Hindi kita makakasama ngayong araw, pero always remember, nasa puso ka namin.
Ang pagmamahal ng Diyos na binigay sa atin, nagagayahin ninyo araw-araw bilang mag-asawa, that is unconditional love.
Though at the beginning, medyo awkward tayong dalawa, but still, we overcome it. We learn from each other, and we're still learning, and hand in hand, we will grow and grow together as we start a new journey in our life, especially building our own family. I love you!